disagree about today's motion. Okay, from the definition that excessive is a way to use to do screening on the gadget without considering the time. But here I will give the argument about it in about three main factors. Okay, the first is many people in this world, especially we are as a generation that live in digital era. Of course, we know how to use this gadget wisely because we know if we want to use our gadget or do screening all the time, of course we know that we have to stop like at least 5 minutes to get refreshing, and then we can continue to screening time. And then I will conduct it to excessive screening to the positive factor. Like the first is it influences the education. What I mean influence the education? There are many credible resources we can get from the gadget, especially from the internet. That's why we do screening all the time. Like it support our education, or like we want to do our homework. For example, we can do it as much as we want. And then the second is we can look at the productivity. In what I mean in productivity, like this generation has creativity, high creativity. For example, like they make, for example, a short video to explain about how to teach English, for example, and then they can upgrade their skills through the gadget also. And then the last is the excessive impact to the physical health. For example, if we have like a physical health trouble, we can do screening time if like we want to looking for entertainment, or we can ask to we can ask to the one who understand about our trouble. And then also we can for example, we can do screening on the TikTok to get more information about how to release our stress, for example. Or we can do if we want to upgrade our skill, like public speaking, or like how to do something, we can do screening on the gadget. And also, many people can use gadget, or they can use their screening time to increase their knowledge through the YouTube or LinkedIn. And that's several factors that why I used to disagree about today's question. Thank you.